Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're making a hearty, flavor-packed fried cabbage and sausage dish that's incredibly satisfying. First, chop 900 grams of cabbage. Pour boiling water over it with 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, and let it sit. While that softens, slice up 450 grams of sausage and 200 grams of bacon. Also, dice an onion, a carrot, 2 bell peppers, and mince some garlic. Now, drain the cabbage. In a hot pan, brown the bacon and sausage. Add all your chopped veggies and season with salt, pepper, and onion powder. Stir in the cabbage cover and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Finally, add 2 chopped boiled eggs, a mix of mayo and sour cream, and season again with Worcestershire sauce, vinegar, and spices. Simmer for another 10 minutes, top with fresh dill and parsley, and you're done. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, it really helps me out. Thanks for watching.